Guys, we are at the question number 10. If you have watched all previous problems of past paper AISL May 2025 time zone 1, I could say well done. So it's good achievements. You achieved question number 10. Let's consider now question number 10. So it is 7 marks total. Word problem, and given something with currency of euro, and 3 parts A, B, and C, 1, 3, and 3 marks respectively. Okay, so let's start. And a manufacturer designs hats that businesses can order. For an order of 15 hats of euro, the price per hat is P euros. For larger orders, the price of each hat after the first 15 ordered is reduced by 5. C of N represents the total cost of purchasing N hats from the manufacturer. A. Write down an expression in terms of P for the total cost of ordering 15 hats. Okay, so let's consider what's given here. 15 hats and price per hat is P. Okay, so we have a hat and the price of this hat is P. Okay, if we have total 15 hats, the total price for all 15 hats will be 15p, isn't it? So this is the answer for part A, 15p. Okay, done. Now part B, write down an equation for C of N in terms of P and N for the total cost of ordering N hats when N is more than 15. Okay. So we have to be very, very attentive here. We have to understand that exact condition given for the 15. So reduced by 5. So how to understand this part? How to understand the second sentence? So if we sell more than 15 hats, the total cost is going to be the total cost is going to be C of N. We are taking 15p, it's a cost of 15 hats, and adding price of remaining number of hats. So if we have N hats, let me draw. I think drawing will be more beneficial in this situation. So we have let's say that we have 15 hats. So this is a 15 hats. Okay, so this is 15 hats and the price of each hat is P. Okay, and if we are considering the remaining parts, so if whole amount of the hats is N, then the remaining part of the hats is going to represent it as N minus 15. And in this case, the price of each hat is going to be 5 euros less. So this hat costs P minus 1, the next one P minus 1, and each of the hat costs P minus 1. And now, since we are selling all hats together, we can combine these two parts in the one equation. So first equation is this one, as we wrote it is 15p, right? And the second part is this one. So number of hats is N minus 15, and the number of hats is P minus 5. Yeah, probably this is the most challenging part of the solution. Here, simplification is not obligatory, so you can live in this form, it's fine. And the part B is answered. Okay, let's turn to the part C. A company decides to order 100 hats. The mean price per hat for this order is 25.73 euros. Calculate the exact total cost of the order. Okay, so for this case, what we do? We see that the mean price of each hat. So we have 100 hats, and the price of each hat is 25.73, and we should calculate the total cost of this 100 hats. So we are simply multiplying 25.73 by 100. So the answer is 2,573 hats. No, not hats, euros, yeah? It's money. This is the money. That much money for the 100 hats. C2. Hence determine the value of P correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, value of P. So now we know that it doesn't work like this. So it doesn't work. The seller not sell it with the average price. Yeah, the conditions are the same conditions as in part B. Okay, so we'll have to use our formula. So let me just one more time write the formula that we obtained in part B. 15b plus p minus 15, and number of hats is n minus here is n minus 5, surprise, and the number of hats n minus 15. Okay, and it says that it is 100 hats, so it's C of 100. C of 100. 15p plus p minus 5 and 100 minus 15. Okay, so here 100 and 100. Okay, now we should also equate this, because we know already the price of this 100 hats is this one, so it is 2,573. Okay, and now we have linear equation. So have a look that this is 3 marks for the C1 and C2, so it means most likely that for the first part will be 1 mark, and for the second solution is 2 marks. Okay, you can use either calculator or somehow else. Just open the brackets, for example, plus 85p minus 85 times 5 equals that much. Yeah, and P will be equal to 29.98 euro. Okay, so what does this mean? It means that the value of P is almost 30 euros. Okay, and it says that we have to leave the answer in 2 decimal places. Have a look. Yeah, we have 2 decimal places. So it was a question for modeling. So we should model the situation, the problem, real life problem, convert to mathematical language, and find the appropriate number of hats and prices to be used in this context. It was a question number 10. See you in the next video. Let's go.